You thought you found family? You don't deserve one. You never have.
What are we gonna do without Ruby? All our songs come through our harmonies. How do we...
There is no we, Zoe. I don't get to have family.
You're too much and not enough. You'll never belong anywhere, but I can give you a place to belong.
Look at me! Why can't you look at me? Why couldn't you love me? I do! All of me! This is why we have to hide it. Our faults and fears must never be seen. It's the only way to protect the Hunmun.
If this is the Hunmun I'm supposed to protect, I'm glad to see it destroyed.